This video presents detailed instructions on how to properly install the Morrison figure number 9095A overfill prevention valve. It's important that the tank be suitably prepared prior to installation of the 9095A valve, and according to the details presented in the previous module entitled Morrison figure number 9095A overfill prevention valve Part 1 Preparation for Installation. If the tank has not yet been prepared for the installation, stop now and verify that it meets with the specifications set forth in the previous module. The next series of instructions involves the installation of pipe and pipe fittings. It's important that each fitting be properly hand tightened before applying the appropriate wrench makeup. To determine the correct number of wrench makeup turns, refer to the specification chart, which can be found in the Installation Operation and Maintenance Manual. It's important to note that over-tightening can and will cause thread damage. Therefore, a tolerance of plus or minus 1 turn is allowed due to the variability of the thread form. After unpacking and inspecting the 9095A, as detailed in the previous module, apply a fuel-resistant, non-hardening, non-adhesive sealant sparingly to the male threads. Excessive use of thread sealant may cause the valve to function improperly. The sealant should be applied only to the male threads to reduce the possibility of sealant being forced inside the system. Proceed to hand tighten the nipple into the valve body. Wrench tighten to the appropriate number of turns. Whenever handling the valve, always use care with the float and linkage to avoid damage. Continue by applying sealant again sparingly to the male threads. Position the adapter onto the nipple and hand tighten it to engage the threads. Then apply the appropriate wrench makeup. At this point, the desired drop tube can be attached, enabling the 9095A to be ready for installation. Drop tubes must be attached per the tube's individual specifications regarding drop tube length and installation procedures. At the selected location, apply the same type of sealant to the male riser. Lower the assembly into the tank. Hand tighten and apply the wrench makeup. Finally, attach the warning tag at the fill point where it will be visible to the operator filling the tank. The 9095A does not require any assistance during operation, but there are some important guidelines regarding the filling operation. Make sure the fill nozzle is equipped with the appropriate mating coupler to form a secure connection with the tight fill adapter. Make sure that the connection between the nozzle and the tight fill adapter is secure before switching on the pumping system. After opening the fill nozzle to begin the product transfer, be sure to continually monitor the liquid level measuring device during the fill. When the liquid reaches the preset level during the tank fill, the 9095A valve will close. The operator might see a slight movement of the fill hose and/or hear the pump bypass activate. At this point, the operator can perform the overfill disconnect procedure, which starts by closing the fill nozzle immediately. Turn off the pumping system and wait a minimum of 1 minute for the line pressure to dissipate. Attempting to disconnect the coupler from the tight fill adapter with pressure in the hose can result in a product spill. Once the line pressure has dissipated, the nozzle can be completely uncoupled. No maintenance is required for this product, but local codes may require specific procedures. It should be verified during installation that the bottom of the drop tube is at the proper distance from the bottom of the tank. For questions regarding applications, special configurations, approvals, or any other concerns, more information can be found in the product catalog or online at www.morbros.com. For additional assistance, contact our customer service department at 800-553-4840.